Hello, friends. In this video, I present to you the top 7 coolest gadgets from Amazon you can buy. For those of you seeking the most cutting-edge devices, you're in luck. Today, I've curated a selection of the best gadgets designed to simplify your life. If any of these gadgets catch your interest and you're considering a purchase, stay tuned. Introducing the Rolling Square Towel, a solution to the all-too-familiar frustration of running out of battery at the most inconvenient times. Behold the world's smallest power bank, a miniature marvel weighing a mere 1.4 ounces, compact enough to rival a car key fob. Despite its size, this powerhouse of a device boasts a capacity of 1,400 mAh, delivering a robust charge that can power up your iPhone 13 Pro by up to 50%. Equipped with both USB-C and micro-USB cables, the Rolling Square Towel ensures compatibility with a wide array of devices, be it the latest smartphone or a reliable tablet. Don't be deceived by its petite appearance, this little dynamo has got you covered. With its patented docking station, simply place it in, and it's ready to charge up for your next adventure. All this cutting-edge technology is available at an affordable price of $29. In this age dominated by smartphones, we often prioritize technology over the well-being and comfort of our eyes. Now, however, you have the opportunity to grant your precious eyes a well-deserved break with the RENPHO Eye Massager. This innovative headset-style massager, featuring a row of soft cushions, provides a soothing rolling massage sensation, relieving the strain accumulated during extended screen time. What sets the RENPHO Eye Massager apart is its combination of trigger point pressure and built-in heating pads, offering a temperature range of up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This dynamic duo works synergistically to alleviate eye strain, puffiness, dryness, and more. Additionally, the massager is equipped with built-in Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to effortlessly connect it to your smartphone. Imagine enjoying its therapeutic benefits even during long flights, ensuring your eyes remain relaxed and rejuvenated. Elevate your smartphone videography to professional levels with the Pivo Pod One. This nifty gadget is here to simplify your creative process and enhance your content creation experience. With features such as auto zoom, target exposure, snap to capture, and more, the Pivo Pod One empowers you to produce stunning videos effortlessly. Thanks to Pivo's auto tracking system, you can move freely without any restrictions, allowing you to capture dynamic shots with ease. Unleash your creativity with 12 quick create modes that open up a world of possibilities. So, why wait? Go hands-free and embark on a journey of recording silky smooth videos with the Pivo Pod One. Weighing in at just 53 grams, the small aerial camera drone is as light as a golf ball and easily fits in the palm of your hand. Compact, convenient, and safe, it becomes your ideal travel companion for capturing images and videos of your cherished memories. The 12-megapixel camera ensures that the content it produces will leave you thoroughly satisfied. Equipped with AI-powered autofly technology, the Air Neo transforms your ordinary drone experience into something truly magical. No more tedious setup processes, the Air Neo takes care of it for you. Instantly share your captivating content directly to social media, thanks to the Air Neo's seamless integration with the Neo app. The app not only serves as a gallery for storing all your content but also allows you to post related material across various social platforms. Experience powerful performance with 16 gigabytes of memory, ensuring a smooth flight and stable hovering for sharp imagery. Take advantage of hands-free operation and enter multiple autofly modes for wide and zoomed images. Customize your modes using the app and follow step-by-step instructions for a user-friendly experience. For those who prefer to be their own master pilot, the advanced smartphone controller, compatible with both Android and iOS, lets you take control of your Air Neo to compose creative images and videos effortlessly. Indulge in the refreshing taste of sparkling water anytime, anywhere, courtesy of the OTE Sparkling Water Maker. This portable gadget is perfect for concocting fancy cocktails, tea, juice, or coffee, and the best part is, it doesn't require any power source. Instead, it operates on easily replaceable gas cartridges. To enjoy your sparkling, bubbling water, simply fill the device with water, insert the gas cartridge, and twist, voila! Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, you can carry it with you everywhere, whether you're on a picnic, camping, or relaxing by the beach. The double-layer PET design ensures durability, and the double pressure relief valve automatically detects and releases internal pressure within half a second, ensuring your safety while in operation. For lovers of fizzy water, the OTE Sparkling Water Maker is undeniably the top choice. Experience incredible stereo sound with the stylish Levitating UFO speaker from RUIXINDA. This innovative speaker seamlessly blends impressive audio performance with a captivating levitating design, making it a stunning addition to your home decor. Not only does it defy gravity by floating mid-air, but it also has the remarkable ability to rotate 360 degrees, providing you with a surreal audio-visual experience. The levitating base is not just about sound. It changes colors and emits a continuous glow, creating a dreamlike atmosphere in the dark. Furthermore, this speaker can be used as a separate portable device even without its magnetic base. Now that's cool versatility at your fingertips. Elevate your listening experience with the RUIXINDA Levitating UFO speaker and immerse yourself in both exceptional sound quality and a visually enchanting display. Ensure the safety and security of your home and loved ones, even in your absence, with Amazon's Astro, a household robot designed for home monitoring. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, Astro effortlessly navigates your home, ensuring it reaches wherever you need it to be. When not actively in use, Astro patiently hangs out close by, always ready for action. With Astro, you can remotely deploy it to check on specific rooms, individuals, or items. Receive alerts if it detects unfamiliar persons or certain sounds, providing an additional layer of vigilance. Beyond its monitoring capabilities, this versatile robot can follow you around, providing entertainment or delivering calls, messages, timers, alarms, or reminders, ensuring that you stay connected and informed, no matter where you are. Keep a watchful eye on your home with the convenience and innovation of Amazon's Astro. So, that was our list of the 7 coolest gadgets from Amazon you can buy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.